Hello, everybody. I'm in San Antonio, Texas, and this is my first car wash I'm ever filming here in San Antonio. This is a LaserWash 4000. I don't know the name of this car wash. Yeah, PDQ is the dominant car wash brand here in Bexar County and in Central Texas. And there are attendants out today. I'll stop the video here until I get in. Alright, I'm in front. I got the $8 car wash. There's your money machine. It looks like a vintage laser wash too. That's pretty awesome. Well, I will come back once this car finishes. Alright, here we go. Oh, there's something pouring in from the top. Laser wash, this looks so vintage. Look at that. Look how old that stick looks. Yep, PDQ was a dominant brand. There are quite a few laser washes in this area, I think. Most have been replaced, but there are some that are still original, like this one. The $8 car wash is in the middle. The most expensive is a $16 car wash. I did not get that because this is a rental car, so I don't need that kind of wash right now. It's on spot free rinse now. Okay. Alright, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And that will be it.